You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, and we'll be looking at how to say more French useful vocabulary too many people get wrong. En plein air is how it's said in French. En plein air. Literally it means in full air, meaning on the outside, outdoors. En plein air, you could say it in English. It's easy. And now you know. En plein air. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks you for that. Appreciate more videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.